Alright everyone, now let's talk about loops and functions. So computer programs operate within loops. You may have heard the term 60 frames per second before, and what this means is that the program is doing everything from getting the player input, running artificial intelligence routines, and drawing to the screen 60 times every second. And loops are one of the most fundamental aspects of computer programming. So all programs have a main loop. And this is where the application begins. All other functions are called from the main loop. Loading of images and other assets, displaying the start menu, playing the game, and even shutting down the program. For our purposes, the main loop is considered to be all code that comes before the first user function. So computer programs run in a set order, and this is called control flow. So how it works with AppGameKit and any other program is it starts at the first line of code, and then it goes to the next line, and so on. Once your program enters the main loop, it performs the same sequence of instructions over and over until something tells it to stop. So you may need to use several types of loops. There are for loops, while loops, do loops, repeat loops, and so on. But each one of these is used for a specific purpose. For example, a for loop is used to perform a task a certain number of times and then stop. The repeat loop always runs at least once and will stop when a certain condition is met. By contrast, the while loop only executes if a condition is true to begin with, and continues as long as that condition remains true. A function is a block of code that performs a single task, such as checking for collisions between a car and a wall, calculating interest on a virtual loan, or creating a level within your game. In this tutorial series, the term function will be used to indicate something written um, by the programmer, while the built-in functions of AppGameKit are going to be referred to as commands. So if you find that you need to perform a particular action multiple times within your program, it is time to write a function. Functions can perform simple tasks like calculating and returning the distance between 2 points in space, or they can represent entire branches of a program, such as the title screen of your app. And with that, guys, I'm going to leave it here, and we're going to move on to the next one.